Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve YouTube TV Firestick not working error. So the first thing that you can try to do is to force stop the YouTube TV app. To do this, simply go to Firesticks settings, choose applications, navigate to manage installed applications, click on YouTube TV, then it'll direct you to this page. And then you just have to press force to stop to proceed. Then the next thing that you can try if it's still not working is to clear data of YouTube TV. To do this, as demonstrated in the previous section, open Firestick settings and select applications. Click manage installed applications, then select YouTube TV. Click clear data on this screen and clear data on the following screen. So here, another thing that we can do is to clear cache. So simply go to Firesticks settings, applications, manage installed applications, just like the other ones. Then click YouTube TV, scroll down and choose the clear cache option there. If it's still not working, you can go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall YouTube TV. So click on YouTube TV, then click the uninstall button to get rid of the application, and that's it. Sometimes the YouTube TV application closes down immediately after you launch it. If it happens once or twice, you can restart the application. But if the YouTube TV app crashes frequently, an underlying problem may exist. So you can go ahead and try to restart your Fire TV or update your Fire Stick. To do this, navigate to the settings icon, choose the My Fire TV tab. Next, click the About section. Below the About section is the Install Update button. Click it to start the update. If it still doesn't work, you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router and make sure that your internet connection is stable. Now, the final resort is by going to Firestick settings, enter the My Fire TV selection, scroll and click the Reset to Factory Defaults option when it appears. But this is quite optional because it'll remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite, which can be the issue is with your Fire Stick. But this is really optional and you have all the time to think about it. Now, if these steps work for you, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.